Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patty and my channel is Patty Over 60. Today I am actually doing some work here in my office. I have several items that have been hanging on a display rack in my office, and I need to get them out of the way because I have Christmas decorating going on and just all kinds of things going on. So today I'm going to go ahead, take them off the rack, package them up, put them in a tote, and get a little bit organized. But while I'm doing that, I want you to take a look at a trip that I took to Goodwill. So take a look at this and then we will be back. So I headed straight for the housewares. This is my thing these days. I'm just obsessed with looking at the glassware, the ceramics, the plates. I mean, this is just, I'm just loving it. So I go through and I just kind of take a look and see what they have. I was kind of looking for some nice, maybe candle holders. So I'm kind of browsing through those and glassware, anything like that. I really like the shape of this glass, sitting here all by itself. Okay. And let me see. Again, I'm just picking up pretty glassware, candle holders, things like that. These were beautiful, but they were a little bit heavy, so I opted out of that. And I'm also trying to find things that are in sets. This looked really cute until I actually touched it, and then it felt kind of cheap. So I didn't pay much attention to that. I loved this angel, and I should have, if nothing else, gone back to pick it up for myself because it was just beautiful. But I didn't go back for it. Maybe if it's there next time, I'll pick it up. And these birds were so cute. I wish I had picked them up as well. Do you sometimes find yourself wishing you had picked up things that you forgot to go back for?
That's all right.
Those birds, I wish I had gone back for it. But this little bird is cute too. And so let's see what else we can find here. They have a lot of really cute things. This, I didn't know what this was. It's made out of wood. Looked like it was hand painted. I have absolutely no clue what it is. Do you have any idea what it is? If so, let me know. But I did put that back. And this is Royal Halsey. I'm going to have to research that and see if that's anything or if that is a good maker. These were nice. I'm trying to get sets of things. That already was in the box, so that was really something that interested me. I do like the cobalt blue on that bottle. All right, so that's it for this row. Let's see. Again, just kind of browsing through. I try to go through each row a couple of times to make sure I don't miss anything. I came across these three glasses. Such a unique shape, beautiful colors. However, I could only find these three. I went around and around. I looked several times down, up and down each row for the match to the set. I could not find it, and I was extremely disappointed. I didn't feel like I wanted to sell three. However, I did find the same glass in clear, and I was able to find a set of four, two tall and then two short. So I did pick those up, and I am going to sell those as a set of four. I loved this mug. I was also looking either for one other one or, if I could find a set of either two or four. I couldn't find it. Maybe I should have just picked up this one. This I wasn't even considering, but I just looked at it because it brought back memories of a clock just like this that my dad had. So I added this to the video just because of him. This candy dish with the frosted angels, I bought it that day. I listed it that day on eBay and it already sold. I did also pick up these vintage ashtrays. They have the horse heads on them, and I just thought they were so unique. They are R2. They do have a little gold around the rim. There is some wear on that gold, but they're just so unique. I really feel like they are going to be a good buy for me. So I did pick them up, and I have them listed on eBay and on Mercari. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little trip through Goodwill with me. I did pick up a few things. Now, there were some very interesting glasses that I was looking for. Some of them were like orange, purplish colors and a very unique shape. But there were only 3 of those, and I looked everywhere and could not find another one that matched it. But I did find 4 of the same shape, but clear. So I got 2 of the tall, and then I have 2 short that match. So I felt weird just doing 3 glasses, although I'm sure I probably could list them on eBay as just 3. But I thought, even though these are clear, they still have the very cool shape, and since I can basically say it's a set, 2 of the tall, 2 of the short, I went ahead and got those. But I looked everywhere trying to find the color ones. But we will see. They're very cool. These will be listed on eBay and Mercari. So what I'm doing is, besides tipping over my camera, I'm kind of getting away from the clothes. I'm not going to stop. If I see something very cool, I'm going to definitely pick it up and list it. But right now I'm really into vintage glassware, vintage plates, vintage collectibles, and just collectibles and glassware in general. So that's kind of what I'm focusing on right now. I do have my eBay shop, which is under the name Patty Over 60, and I will put a link down below for that. Also, I still have my Mercari and my Poshmark as before. However, I think I'm going to do a lot of eBay listing through the first of the year. So we'll see what happens. Let's see, what else do I need to catch up on? My back. Okay, everything's going great with my back. I went on a anti-inflammatory diet, and I'm taking turmeric, and I'm doing a lot of stretching. Even before I get out of bed, I stretch, and my back has been terrific. I've been going to the theme parks, I've been shopping, and I mean, everything is great. So right now, everything is really good with my back. Gray hair. Well, really nothing to talk about yet. It takes a while. What will happen is it will get really, really light red first, and almost a strawberry blonde, and then it will begin to turn gray. Pause for my, I always seem to do my videos about the same time, don't I? So that you always get to hear my clock. Okay, let's see. So yeah, gray hair in process. The back, doing great. My closet, a little bit of an adjustment going on. eBay is primarily what I'm doing right now, although I am listing my glasswares and my vintage stuff on Mercari as well. I guess I could list them on Poshmark too, because Poshmark does have a housewares category as well. So who knows? Maybe I'll list them on there too. But that is what's going on here as far as my office and as far as what I'm doing with my retirement side gig. I want to talk about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is in just a couple of days, and I know that this year Thanksgiving is not what we're used to. It's different this year. I think what we should do is reprogram the way we're thinking. Right now, 2020, everything is very negative. Everybody's like, wow, the things that we've missed out on, the family and friends that we can't see, the things that we can't do, the things that we may not be able to do for a long time. I mean, it's being addressed in a very negative way, and I get it. I have days where I feel that way. But I also think that what we should do on Thanksgiving and actually going forward is look at the positive things that we do have. Maybe we can't see family members, we can't hug family members, but we have them. They're alive. They're still well. I mean, if you have family and friends that are well, that are healthy, you should be thankful for that. The things that you can do, you can learn to cook great meals. You can keep your house really clean. That's not a good one. Let me think of something better than that. You can catch up on TV shows that you haven't been able to catch up on in a long time. I mean, there's a positive way to look at it. And that's what I plan on doing on Thanksgiving. You know, everybody has the thing where you go around the table and say what you're thankful for. And I'm just really thankful that I do live in a country where we do have freedoms, and I don't care what's going on politically. Basically, compared to a lot of other countries, I mean, I still think America's the best. So, you know, go ahead and judge me. That's okay. I love America. It's my country, and I wouldn't live anywhere else. Be thankful for the blessings that you have been given. You know, the good Lord gives us so many blessings every day that we don't even think about because it's just part of our day. The fact that we did wake up today, the fact that our family members are alive and well, the fact that we have a job, that we have a roof over our head, that we have food in our refrigerator. There are so many people right now that don't have those things. So instead of focusing on the negativity of 2020, let's be positive. Let's be positive. Let's enjoy what we've got, even if we have to FaceTime our relatives for the holidays. Be thankful they're there for you to FaceTime. And I know that's how I'm going to go about the rest of my year. I am just going to be thankful. And, you know, I do a lot of praying, and I have a lot of great conversations with God. And, you know, I'm always asking Him what I should do. Sometimes I say, Lord, my Mercari closet is flat. What am I going to do? Should I just give it all up? And it's really funny because the next day I'll make a sale and I'll be like, oh, okay. Thanks for telling me not to give up. And that actually happened this week. I was feeling kind of negative about the whole thing. And, you know, I was like, please, Lord, just tell me, what do I do? Do I stop doing YouTube videos because I'm not, you know, a YouTube megastar? Do I stop doing Mercari and Poshmark because I'm not one of those people that make sales daily? I mean, I was just very frustrated, and I had a great conversation with him and asked him to let me know what I should do. And I'm serious, the next day I had 2 sales first thing in the morning, and I was like, okay, I won't give up. So I'm not giving up, and I don't want anybody else to give up. Whether it be on your closet, whether it be on yourself, your diet, your family, your relationship, your finances, don't give up. Don't give up on anything. Life's too short to give up. You got to keep going. Anyway, I'm going to jump down off my soapbox. I want everyone to have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Many blessings to you and your family. And remember, once Santa Claus, is there a Macy's Day Parade this year? I don't know. If there is, when Santa Claus closes out the parade, Christmas is on. So if you haven't put up your Christmas lights, put them up, put up your tree, get your shopping done. I'm doing all my shopping online. And hey, you can shop in my closets on my eBay. Just be thankful. And be sure and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Make sure you get that bell notification. And even if I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, I am thankful for every one of you. So stick around and let's see what happens during the Christmas holidays. Happy Thanksgiving to you.